What's going on, everybody? I'm Brandon from Walker's Woodworks. Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to try something new and let you guys in the shop a little bit more, if that makes sense. I didn't really have a project lined up this week or anything, so I figured I would just bring you guys in, let you know some things that's going on with me and the channel, and then just kind of give you a little shop update. So right now I have this beautiful Claro walnut slab that I don't know if you could see it that well, that I milled down out of a pretty big slab actually, but there just wasn't that much usable material on it, but it is amazing. I'm actually going to be using this for our personal vanity in the bathroom. We just remodeled, so this will be a double sink, kind of sit on top vessel style sink with the faucets that kind of have the water just running off into it. Should be pretty cool. And then I have a table. This is one of the legs for the benches, so I got to square all these up. I got a ton of that stuff to do. The tops are done, which is nice, and well, one of the tops, I got one more to do, and it's got one bench each, so I got to do that. I just recently started a new day job. I was doing small engine repair, mostly two-stroke stuff, but it was time to change, so I went to work for my buddy Aaron over at A&B Wood and Steel Design. That name will also be changing pretty soon to Bidwell Wood Company, so you guys will see that a lot. I'm kind of taking care of the social media part of that as well, so I'll link that stuff down in the description if you guys want to go give them a follow. We also just started carrying some C-channel. If you guys follow me on Instagram or you think that you've seen me use this, actually I made a video installing these on a tabletop I just did. So if you guys are interested in C-channel, we do offer that, raw or powder coated, custom sizes. There are some pre-selected ones on the website you can choose from, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited about the new job and to be doing things that I actually want to do instead of repairing lawnmowers, which I did for 7 years. So that's pretty sweet. Also, what else? Oh, the direction of the channel. So I was realizing that you guys were liking more of the shop style videos or projects for the shop, such as like sleds, jigs, drill charging station, clamp rack, the new bit cabinet that I just did. So I was kind of focusing on that, but really you can only go so far with that. So I'm trying to kind of gauge what else I should be doing. So if you guys want to, leave me a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you do kind of watch. I want to try to do some more creative projects, some stuff that I've been wanting to do for a while rather than just film client builds, because I'm going to be mostly just focusing on content at home now, not doing client stuff. So that's probably about it. I wanted to just kind of fill you guys in since I didn't have a project video for you, but I will have one in 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, check the description below for my new day jobs, Instagram, and all that good stuff. C-channel if you need it. I will put links down there for my merch if you guys are interested in anything like that. Oh, also, I'm learning Fusion 360 from Make or Break Shop's course. So I will also put that in the link in the description below. I became an affiliate for him because I really like the course, and I can't wait to take the other ones for CAD metal stuff, because again, at the new day job we do metal fab as well, and we have a big 5x10 CNC, so I'd like to learn how to create things for that. So I'll leave a link to that. Get you 20% off of the course. It's really good. He's awesome at it, and he's extremely good at customer care. So if you go through the course and you have questions, he's very responsive to that side of things as well. His name's Brandon too. It's probably a Brandon thing. But anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video, and until then, have a good one.